In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make outro end screen video in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean professional end screen ready to add to your YouTube videos without guesswork or clutter. Start by opening Canva, then use the search bar at the top and type YouTube outro or end screen. This pulls up pre-made designs that are already sized correctly for YouTube and structured with common end screen layouts in mind. Pick a template that matches your vibe: minimal, bold, playful, whatever fits your channel. Templates save time and help you stay consistent. Now customize the design so it feels on brand. Replace any placeholder elements with your logo. Switch the colors to your brand palette and update the text with something friendly like "Thanks for watching" or "Watch next." Keep text short and legible. High contrast between text and background helps on mobile screens, so avoid light gray text on pale backgrounds. If you've got a specific font for your channel, use it here to tie everything together visually. As you arrange elements, leave clear space for YouTube's end screen components that you'll add later inside YouTube Studio. YouTube will place rectangular video thumbnails and a circular channel icon on top of your video. So reserve a rectangular area for 1 or 2 videos and a circular area for the subscribe button. Use guides or simple shapes as temporary placeholders to visualize spacing. Then delete those shapes before exporting. Keep important graphics and text away from the edges so nothing overlaps when the end screen is applied. Set your duration next. YouTube allows end screens for up to 20 seconds and a sweet spot is usually between 10 and 20 seconds. In Canva, select the page and adjust the timing so viewers have enough time to choose their next video without feeling rushed. Add a touch of movement using the animate button. Subtle is best here. Gentle fades, slides, or a slight pan can bring life to your design without distracting from the clickable elements YouTube will overlay. Keep animations consistent across elements and avoid anything too fast or flashy. When you are happy with the layout and motion, click Share. Then choose Download. Select MP4 video to preserve your timing and animations. If the option is available, export at 1080p for crisp playback. That's it. Thanks for watching.